Yeah, I'm over here at my mom's taking care of her, and we're getting 70-mile-an-hour winds and gusts here. And what you're looking at there is the aluminum awning of the patio for the mobile home across the street from my mother's. And sorry about the shakiness, not feeling too great, but it keeps sticking straight up in the wind with the gusts. So I'm waiting for the wind to gust again, trying to catch it on film for you guys. It's crazy. This tree here keeps swaying like 20 feet or more side to side with the heavy gusts. And that's with no leaves on it. If the tree had leaves on it, it'd be snapping just from catching so much of the wind. You can see the access panel blew off on that same mobile home that, for the skirting, it flew right off. So I keep hearing garbage cans blowing around. I'm trying to hold this steady for you guys, but I'm sorry, unfortunately, I'm very, very shaky. Come on. Wait, of course, when I break the camera out, the heavy gust stops. But, like I said, this sucker is going 20 plus feet side to side with the heavy gusts. I keep thinking it's gonna fall over. There's a light gust there, you can see. Look at that. You can see, that tree is probably 75 feet tall, give or take. And the base of that tree is probably 65, 66 feet away from me right now. So when you put it into perspective, how far that's moving based on that math, you can see that's well over 20 feet side to side. So, and they're calling for even worse winds than this. So, who knows, Centurion? Maybe you'll get the flying cow. So, alright, well, figured I'd catch some of this.